New York City is currently experiencing or is expected to experience intermittent wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour. During periods of high winds, residents should use caution when walking or driving tall vehicles. Winds at these speeds can cause flying debris, cause unsecured objects to fly, and cause power outages. Charge cell phone batteries. Gather supplies. And turn refrigerators and freezers to a colder setting. Always stay clear of downed power lines. If you are affected by the outage, turn off all appliances. Avoid downed and hanging power lines. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed to prevent food spoilage. Do not use generators indoors. If you lose power and have a disability or access needs, or use life-sustaining equipment and need immediate assistance, call 911. For more information, visit www.weather.gov/NYC. For specific location and timing information, as well as safety tips, please visit NYC.gov/Notify NYC or call 311. For video relay service, call 212-639-9675 or TTY 212-504-4115.